So if you want to deploy your Next.js app on Vercel and get it live online quickly, don't worry. Yeah, I'll guide you step by step in a simple way. First thing first, make sure your Next.js app is working properly on your local machine without any errors. You can run npm rundev and check everything in your browser to confirm it's ready. Next, upload your project to GitHub because Vercel connects directly with it. If your project is not on GitHub yet, just create a repository and push all your files. After that, go to Vercel and click on Add New Project, then import your GitHub repository. If your accounts are already connected, your repo will show up automatically. Now, the good thing is Vercel is built specifically for Next.js, so it automatically detects your framework, builds settings, and everything else, so you don't need to configure anything manually. Just click Deploy and let Vercel handle the process. It will build your app and host it online within a few seconds or a minute, depending on your project size. Once the deployment is complete, you'll get a live URL, and yeah, your app will be instantly available online. Another great feature is automatic deployment, which means whenever you push updates to your GitHub repository, Vercel will automatically rebuild and redeploy your app without any extra effort. And yeah, that's it. Your Next.js app is now live and running on Vercel. And so if you want to deploy your website using Vercel but don't know where to start, don't worry. Yeah, I'll walk you through everything step by step